Okay, now we introduce our new facial machines. This is the handle pieces of the machine. This is the skin scrubber and the diamond dermabrasion, and this is the tips for this dermabrasion handle pieces. This is the hydro dermabrasion handle pieces, and we will make 2 bags of tips for these handle pieces. This is the BIO and the high jet peel. And this handle pieces also with 4 tips for this handle. And the tripolar eye injector, spray gun, and the PDT plate. Okay, now we introduce the installation video of these facial machines. This is the big wastewater button, and this tool is the filters. When the wastewater was full in this button, we have to pour off the wastewater. And this is a button. You have to insert the tube and then turn on the button. The water will pour out. And when it is over, turn off the button. And then you take out this tube. You have to press this glass like this. And when this button was full, you have to pour off the water also. Like this. And install it well. If they are not installed well, it will affect the vacuum of the machine. Okay, now we install the handle pieces of the facial machines. This is the tripolar eye. And the BIO. This is the skin scrubber. These handle pieces can be used independently. With the power line is for charge. Okay. And when you want to take out these handle pieces, you have to press this motor and take out the handle pieces. And this is the same to these 2 handle pieces. And this power line is for the PDT plate. Okay. And now for the spray gun. When you insert the tubes, you have to press this. Like this tube was out, and then insert the tubes. Okay. And this injector and the spray gun will share the same outlet. When you want to use these handle pieces, you have to take out these handle pieces. When you take out the handle pieces, you have to press this button also and take out. And then install this. And now for the hydro pure handle pieces. Insert these small tubes and big tube. And when you take out these tubes, you have to press the black part also. demonstration handle pieces. Also like this, big tube to this and small tube to this. And the diamond version. This handle pieces also share the same outlet with the hydrodermal version handle pieces. When you want to use these handle pieces, you must take out these handle pieces. Press this black part and take out the tube and install these handle pieces. Okay, now we introduce the skin of the machine. Enter, and the first is the water oxygen drop tube. There are three buttons for your choice. These three buttons. And start this handle pieces. Stop. And this is the hydrodermabrasion handle pieces and the diamond dermabrasion handle pieces. There are three buttons for your choice. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop and stop. This is BIO. BIO, you can adjust the time and the strength of these handle pieces. And the tripolar IF, also the same as the BIO, you can adjust the strength and the time. And stop. And the spread gun, only start and stop. You can adjust the time. And the oxygen injector, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 more, 5 for these handle pieces, and adjust the time. And the skin scrubber, you can adjust the time also, and start, stop. And this is PDT 30, this PDT plate. And when you use it, you have to adjust the strength and start. The color green, blue, yellow, purple, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 more, 5 for this plane. And this. Stop. Okay, before you do the treatment for your client, you have to clean face. Okay, firstly we do the skin scrubber treatment, and before you do the skin scrubber treatment, you have to add water to the skin. It can be used independently. And now we do the Hydra Peel treatment. And choose the button with water. We choose the first one. Stop. And you can adjust the floor with this button. Okay, and then we do the diamond dermabrasion handle pieces. Choose the button and start. can adjust the vacuum. This is the vacuum button and also the water flow button. Tap on your hands before you do for your client. And the hydrodermabrasion handle pieces with this button. You can also adjust the vacuum lever and the water flow lever with these two buttons. Okay, now we do the spray gun treatment. Take out the cover and add water. Push this in and start. You can adjust the flow with this button. Treatment. And then do the injection treatment. Choose this. Use the first mode. Before we do the treatment of IF and PIO, you have to add the gel on the treatment part. And the IF treatment. Start from low level. Low strand. Start this treatment with low intensity and then add more according to the feeling of your clients. Then you do the treatment. These 3 treats must completely touch the skin. And then do the BR treatment. Do this treatment also start from the low level intensity. This. And now we do the PDT treatment. And there are 7 colors for your choice. And there are 5 more.